What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Nico Scotty, and we back with another video, man. First and foremost, I want to say shout out to you guys for getting me to 311 subscribers, man. If you know, you know. But that's a beautiful number, man. So today, I'm just going to bless you guys with a quick Defikingdoms tutorial on how to level up your hero. And in this case, I got a Gen 1 level 1 ninja. I'm going to be leveling up with all the correct stats. So you got to do agility, dexterity, and intelligence. And then you just got to get your room, level it up, smoke a little dark weed, a little ragweed. Well, not really ragweed because that's mid. And then your hero is going to be leveled up. So from here, what we want to do is go ahead and click on begin level up. All right. So once that's done, it's going to take some time to process. Your hero needs to let the weed sink in. The runes sink in, and boom, it's leveled up. You gotta complete the ritual. It's a lot of clicking goes in this thing, but man, Defikingdoms, right, man? It's getting ready to flip Axie Infinity, and here it is. So Rachel Grass Romer is level 2 now. All of her stats increase this way, and this is how it looks, man. What I'm gonna do now is that I'm probably gonna go ahead and go to the tavern, right? But before I go to the tavern, let's look at the stats one more time here. It's at level 2. Boom. And these are the stats. So from here now, I feel like I'm just gonna go to the tavern, and I need to put this hero on the market. The floor right now for those ninjas that are uncommon Gen 1 is $199. Actually, somebody on the guild actually has it listed. You should go look at it. And I'm going to sell it for about $170, right? And I feel like I'm going to make a lot of profit off of it because when I bought it, it was actually at $80. So let's see how this goes, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I appreciate you guys for rocking with me.